In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Microsoft To Do app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now to fix this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix it. First, you want to go to your phone and troubleshoot your To Do app by going to settings, and from settings look for this option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Then search for your app, tap on it to open, go for stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and also check and then see if you have any VPN app on your smartphone or any recently installed security app, and install them, as this might be causing the issue. You also want to check and then see if you have any update by going to Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Now at this point, your Microsoft To Do app should be working without any issue. However, at this point, if you still encounter the same challenge, then most likely Microsoft To Do might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Try log into your account and now everything should be up and running on your end. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.